Thank you for clicking on this video. This is Dale with Flippin' Fiasco, and today's video is going to be a 5-pound ThredUP unboxing from Swanee, Georgia. And I even did my nails for you guys so that they wouldn't look so chewed up and stressed out. So let's cut into this box and see what we have. And I've got to tell you, I'm super excited for this because these boxes are so hard to get now. But I didn't want to open this without filming, and I've had it since January 2nd. So the suspense is killing me. It's time to get it over with. So I have you zoomed in so that you have a good view. Here's what our bag looks like. Let's zoom out just for a minute, but you're going to see the tripod in the way. Here's what one side looks like. And the other side looks like lots of fun goodies. And let's start digging in. So I do like when earrings are kept together. Ooh, and these are glass. Very pretty yellow swirl with purple, vibrant purple on a hook style. Those are really nice. I'll do 5 on those. And if you do see anything that you're interested in purchasing from me, you'll just send me an email, dale@flippinfiasco.com, and shipping starts at $4 or $5, and we'll go from there. So this is a pretty plastic bangle, which normally wouldn't interest me, but it does have like a lot of interesting detail to it. So you can see that the blue is like up against it, so it's clear, but then it's got like some dimension in there. So I would do 4 on that. We're starting out pretty good. This ring is not in good condition. It's just plastic. So that is going into craft, and any craft items are $1, or we'll see what we end up with at the end, and I might just do one price to purchase all of the craft jewelry. So just so you see, this is like a 9.5. But again, not in very good condition, just a plastic ring. This is a nice stretchy, like bronzy colored bracelet. I'll do 4 on that also. I'm gonna put my craft items in one pile. Okay, so this still, well, I don't know what kind of tag that is, because it does look like it has some wear to it, but it is an interesting necklace with lots of chain detail, and then some silver faceted beads, and then like a matte silver chain with a lobster closure and extender. So that's interesting. Here, wait, I think it actually goes this way. There's a lot more detail. This makes more sense. There we go. So that is what the necklace looks like. I'll do 5 on that piece. Here's just a little gold bangle with a little, just looks like it's cut silver. Like, I don't know how to describe that. I'll do 2 on that. Here we have a hematite stretch bracelet with an interesting silver spacer, and the stretch is still good on it, so I'll do 3 on that. And when you send me an email that you're interested, please give me a timestamp. That's super helpful, and a description. So here we have an earring and necklace set. It says My Style, just made in China, but orange comes down to these circles on the bottom. And I do have a measuring tape that I could tell you this is about 10 inches in length. So 20 in total around. And let's see if there's an extender, or is it just, oh, it doesn't even have a clasp. So that just goes around your neck. And I'll just do 4 on this piece. Here is a like suede bracelet, fabric bracelet with all these sparkly details to it. It's actually in really nice condition. It just kind of needs to be formed to your wrist, but then it does make for a neat piece. I'll do 4 on that one also. It's in really nice condition. I don't see any kind of maker mark on it. Here's just a plain gold bangle for $1. And let's see, we have another My Style earring and necklace set. This one is in pink. It does have a clasp and a little bit of an extender, and I'll just do 4 on that one also. Oh, I thought something dropped. This bangle dropped. And it's just like a peachy kind of color. That'll just be $1. Same for this one. That's like a mustard color and has that wavy texture. This one's craft, $1. See what kind of necklace we have here. So it's got all this tassel action at the bottom and comes up in 2 strands. Do we have a maker? We do. I think this is Plunder. And if anybody's interested, I'll do 4 on that. It's very long, really nice and long. Whoop, into that tassel. Here is an adjustable hematite magnetic necklace that you could wear as a necklace, or you could go around several times and do a bracelet. I'll just do 3 on that. Let's see, here we have a 33-inch earring and necklace set. This actually does still look to be new. Like, these are in very nice condition. And there's the necklace. So yeah, these are like textured, and these are textured. So kind of an interesting combo set for $4. Here we just have a cute little heart pearls and gold bows bracelet with a clasp. It's also in very good condition. So let's get a measurement for you. I was going to say, I'm hoping this is the standard. Yeah, about 7.5 inches. We'll do 4 on that. Looks like we have some pieces of something that will be craft. Here's another earring and necklace set. Pearls. There are the earrings. And here's the necklace. We'll also do 4 on that one. Oops. Some more bracelets. I'm trying to see what this one, I feel like it doesn't want to turn to the other side. So it's just a cute sun and moon, but it's not in very good condition. So that's $1. And then we've got this peach colored gold, yeah, gold and peach bangle, $1. Here is a necklace. It does have a tag. Let me see. That says Sarah Coventry. There, it's upside down, but there's the Sarah Coventry, nice long pearl stations necklace. Let's see how long it is. It's pretty long. It is, yeah, 24. So it's about 48 inches in total. And I'm going to do 8 on that one. Sarah Coventry is a nice brand that will sell. Oh, I have more pieces. Oh, it looks like this guy broke. So that's just going to be $1 for that necklace, barrel clasp. And I'll give you the piece if you're interested in fixing it. But craft, $1. Ooh, these are pretty. So we've got some, wait, they got tangled up in each other. There we go. Glass beaded hook earrings. And then this is what the necklace looks like. I believe these are they glass? I think they are glass also. I'm going to do 5 on that. The earrings are really nice. And then you've got the glass beads set down here. Here we just have a long First I thought that said Gucci. I was like, what? No such luck. This is broken, so it will just be $1. Okay, let's see if we can get some of these bigger pieces out of the way. So here is a big statement piece with blues and greens and browns. Really nice. And again, it's in good condition. So I'll do 5 on that one. Here we have another statement piece with greens and blues, orange, pink, yellow. And I think all of the stones are there. Yeah, it's in decent condition. So I will do 5 on that one also. I don't like to do tangles off camera if I can avoid it, but I might need to. Oh, okay. This one came loose. Another My Style earring and necklace set for $4. Here is a silver tone with black. Oh, that's not in good condition at all. I don't know if they're just dirty and need to be cleaned, but that's $1. Ooh, isn't that pretty? It's different. It looks like an Easter egg that's been cracked open. So a pendant on a gold or a silver chain with extender. I'll just do 4 on that one, but very vibrant blue. We have a nice Christmas wreath pendant. That'll just be 2. It's in very nice condition, but it just feels very lightweight. So that's why 2. Looks like all the stones are there though. It's nice. See, can we get this one? Yes. So this is just a big old strand. Oh wait, this says something. Can you see what that says? BKSP? I'm not sure. But so it seems like it should have, I thought that it would have like a clasp over here for it to be a double strand, but it does not. So I'll just do $1 on that. It is in, again, it's in nice condition, these green beads, but I'm just not quite sure if you're just supposed to wear it, but I don't know why it has that one veil dangle. I don't know. Yours for $1. Then we have, I don't know if this is all one piece or if it's 2 different pieces. Okay, looks like they are all together. So that helps because then I'm not trying to separate it into 2 pieces. Okay. See if we can get this to lay right. Yes. All right, you ready? Here we go. So multi-strand, and it's got this brown and then pinks and blues and purples. So very different, multi-layered, and then it comes up into this lobster clasp. So I'll do 5 on that one also. Still in nice condition. We have a pair of big circle earrings. Can you see the detail on them? They're like pink, but like a really dark purple on the front with a little bit of pink swirl. They actually have more detail on the other side. Hook earrings, $2. This is just going in craft. Just a plain silver with some dangles. it's not in terrible condition, but it's just odd with this. I think of it as like a fan pull, but it does have some cute little sparkles on it. But $1. We have a very colorful. Yeah, this is all one piece. I don't know why it's on this card. I'm just going to take it off the card and try to figure out what is going on here. So I guess you're just supposed to hook it on the other side. Weird. I'll just do $1 on that. All the beads are in nice condition. Maybe you can repurpose it into something that seems more functional, because it's just confusing me with this piece on it. Not sure. $1. We've got some, those are going to craft. They're really dirty and worn, but gold. Here's earrings. I'll just start putting all the bangles to the side. Oh, this is really different though. It's like a cloisonne bracelet. That is really pretty. Very pretty. I'm going to do 8 on this one. I think that's actually a pretty special piece. Isn't that neat? Like a yellow with the pink flowers. This will just, oh, that's interesting. It has a magnetic closure that goes in the spacer, which is different. I mean, it is in good condition. So I guess I'll do 2 on that. It's so different. I was going to throw it in with my bangles back here, but I won't. Here we have a bright pink set for a necklace with a silver extender. Sorry, I have a hard time with the lobster clasps with my nails. Okay. But there's what it looks like. And I'll do 4 on this one also. It's in really nice condition, I gotta say. Like, I haven't found anything spectacular in this lot, but it's all at least been in good condition. Here's just a glass cross pendant with a plastic bail. $1. And here we have on a, looks like just coated plastic, $1. That's craft also. Here we have a seed bead choker necklace. It would be really short, in blue and orange. So any Syracuse fans? Again, in really nice condition. Pretty. I'll do 5 on that one. Here's more seed bead. Wow. I think this is actually maybe a belt, because it's so long. Why do I see some stray strands? That makes me nervous. I don't want to do anything with them. But really pretty. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? So then it comes into that, and another one, and another one, but there's the loose string. And then it has all these options to hook the closure in. So yes, I think that's meant to be a belt. Very pretty. I'll do 4 on that because of the loose strings. And more seed beads. Ooh, very different. Look at that. So black with some gold. This is what the gold areas look like. And then there's the black, again, in really nice condition. Gold lobster with lobster clasp with an extender. And how long is this one? It is Yeah, it's about 32 inches around. So nice, long, different, $5. Here, we have earrings and a necklace that's caught up in them. Here's what the bottom of the necklace looks like. It's kind of gross. It's got some doo-doo on it. And these are kind of gross too, so $1 for the whole set. These are tiny little bangles, but we'll put them in the bangle set. Let's see what this is. So a gold tone necklace with, these are wood, yeah, some wood, some glass, right? Yeah, definitely glass. I'm sure some are plastic. But interesting, funky kind of necklace, $4. Here we have a bronze colored necklace with some rhinestone spacers and like the box chain. So very long, $3. This is just $1. It's like a kid's bracelet, but it does have the faux pearls. Let's see what we have here. I don't know why these don't want to lay quite right. There we go. So that is what your necklace looks like. Hammered swirls. Again, in good condition. Silver necklace for $4. Here is a pin with gold dangles, some clear stones and black stones. There's what that looks like. We'll do 4 on that. Here's just a white plastic necklace, $2. Hi, Maggie. Oh, here's a kitty cat in that plastic coated cord. It is pretty. Can you see the swirls? We'll do 2 on him. Let's see what these other ones are. So here's another one. We'll do 2 on each of these sets. A swan with a green swirl, 2. Here's a swan with blue swirl, 2. Okay, I think that's the end of those. Well, this says it's a sterling silver size 3. That's really tiny. Ring priced at $25. I'll do 10 on that. Some lead and nickel-free earrings. You can tell they're mirrored, but they have some of this glittery detail. I'll do 2 on those. Here's some black faceted gold tone hook earrings, $2. This is just a leather rope. Is it still adjustable? Yeah, I would say this is an anklet. $2. Hang on, Maggie. Here's the end of our bag. Yeah, all bangles are just $1. Oh, that's missing part of it right there. So that's craft. I don't see any mark on this one. $1. So we've got, or you know what, I'll just do 4 on all of these bangles. Let's see. So this leather is not in good condition, but you do have some, I would assume, howlite beads. $1. Oh, look at that. It's like an Irish and USA mix shamrock. Interesting. $1. This, I guess, is a pendant. Yeah. These are wood, but they're kind of gross. $1. And ooh, sus stretch bracelet. Pretty components, but $1. One stray earring, $1, and it's got pretty bling bracelet. And I'll just do 2 on that one. All right, so that brings us to the end of our jewelry lot. Again, if you saw something you're interested in, Dale at flippinfiasco.com. Thank you for being here, and I will catch you next time.